Hey everyone, welcome back to AnuTrickz. Today, we're diving into the world of HTML and CSS to create eye-catching text effects. I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful code snippet that transforms your headers into something truly unique. So, in our style block, we're targeting an H1 element with a span inside it. We've added a background image to the span, creating a cool patterned effect. The magic happens with the text shadow property, giving our text a vibrant blue glow and a subtle shadow. Play around with these values to customize it to your liking. Now, let's see it in action. As you can see, the text instantly transforms into a stylish masterpiece. Don't forget to replace AnuTrickz with your own text to personalize the effect. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a touch of style to your headers using HTML and CSS. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding tips, and let me know in the comments what other cool effects you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.